Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back with another video, and today we're going to be battling my custom 3D printed Beyblade, Celestial Aries, versus Lightning Eldrago. I've always been a fan of Lightning Eldrago. It's probably my favorite MFB Bay, and it's my favorite remake currently. It'll probably be replaced by Gravity Perseus when it comes out at the end of this year. But yeah, I thought it'd be a fun video because Lightning Eldrago is actually pretty solid in my opinion. And then also I want to apologize about my last video. I did a poor job of explaining what the video was meant to be. A few people misinterpreted what I mean. They thought I was insulting them, where I was actually trying to spotlight different bays throughout the community. Some of my favorite ones, that's why they're on the list. And I wanted to rank them based off of performance, not visuals, because some of them I thought were gorgeous, but their performance just weren't as high as others. And yeah, I'm really sorry if you're one of the people I've offended. I didn't mean to. It was simply just a fun video idea that that has popped up in my head kind of last minute. So it wasn't initially planned to do the video for that day. So I just kind of got on my computer and started ranking several different bays. The first ones that popped into my head, most of them I really enjoy. Yeah, I'm really sorry if I offended you. I didn't mean to, it wasn't my intention. I know some people were mad because of passive-aggressive posts on Instagram. Sorry about that. I understand where you're coming from. Yeah, I did a very, very poor job of explaining what I wanted, what the point of the video was. It kind of came up as I was just shitting on their bays. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of sounded like I was crapping on them, even though that wasn't my intention. I'm sorry. I will be doing a sequel to that video, but it'll be more thought out and planned. It won't just be a video I decide to do one day. I'll do more research on battles and try to do a statistics between win to loss ratios, and I'm going to be including visuals to give almost a 100% accurate, to my opinion. Because the last video, it was just my opinion on other people's bays in the community. Like, I wouldn't even put Aries in S tier just because it's my bay. It's more of like a B tier. Like, it's a great bay, don't get me wrong, but it's not overpowered. Like, there's a reason I put Delta in the S tier. It bullied almost any bay it's gone against. So yeah, I apologize if you were offended, and I hope we can get past that. And I'll make sure to put more thought and care into those types of videos in the future. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked, subscribed if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys at the stadium.
Okay guys, we're at the stadium. So we'll be doing our usual first bait of 15 points. Aries is in stamina mode. And yeah, okay. Burst finish do count as 2 points. Ring outs and survivors are both 1. And if there is a draw, no points will be awarded. So let's get right into this. 3, 2, 1, go. Eldrago, are you okay? Well, I guess that's 2 points to Celestial Aries, so it's 2-0. But now Eldrago burst the disc didn't even come off, and this kind of landed over to the side. It's like Aries cut off its legs. So, should I be worried? Aries heard me talk smack about it, now it's angry. Okay.
it's 2-1. It's going to go shoot. Four to 1. Okay, looks like Aries isn't going to be nice today. Double win fights. Three, two, one, go shoot. That's now 6-1. Looks like, God, Aries is like messing up the whole stadium. Okay, so it's 6-1 now. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but I think Aries does a lot better against less spin days. But you know that I might be just full of it. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, let me start trying to launch a little bit harder. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. 6-2. Oh my God. Okay, that's 6-3 now. Okay, make sure this camera's staying in the frame. I mean, the stadium's staying in the frame. 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Okay, sorry guys, we're back. I decided to do a left-hand launch with Aries, and my launcher separated from the grip, and Aries decided to go for a joyride around my room. Okay, so it's 6-3, I believe. 3, 2, 1, go. No, Aries fell. I got this. Okay, it's 7-3. Yeah, I don't know. Is it just me, guys, or is Aries seemed more violent since it got its full paint job done? It's like, you know, not taking any crap anymore. So current score is 6-3. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's now 9-3. I honestly thought El Drago could do better than this. Maybe the Supreme Dragon Emperor isn't all that he says he is. If this video hits like 10 likes, I'll do Celestial Aries vs. Medio El Drago, like the actual one. Please don't go. Okay, that is now 10-3. Damn. Yeah, it's crazy. Aries is obliterating El Drago. Yeah, it was one click away from bursting. So, current score is now 10-3. This is looking pretty bad. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I have to admit, Aries looks definitely better now that it's fully painted. I think El Drago barely won that, so it's going to be 10-4 now. That's the current score. Aries 10, El Drago 4. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. That is 11-4 now. Aries legit threw El Drago completely out of the stadium. Oh, let me fix that. I have to walk over and go grab El Drago. Okay, I got it. Yeah, it's even knocking the reach frame loose. This game violent. So it's 11-4, I believe. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's 11-5 now. Yeah, for anyone when wondering why the helmet's painted gold on Celestial, it's because the metal blades were supposed to be gold, but it was a misprint on Shapeblaze's part, so that's why it's like that. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, first finish, Aries. Yeah, also this El Drago recolor. Okay, that's 11-6. But this El Drago recolor, I actually like it better than the 10th anniversary sets, like official colors. I just think the black and the red and gold just looks amazing. What happened? Did Aries break? Hello. Please. What just happened? Okay, guys, so it looks like Aries bursted El Drago, and El Drago flew up and hit the camera, stunning it. So that means Aries is now at 13 and El Drago is still at 6. Oh god, it's getting rough now. Yeah, it's at 13. For a minute I was being slow. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that is now 14-6. Aries is trying to quickly end the battle because my phone's about to die. Okay, so that's 14-6. Go, let's try to end this with a burst. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, Aries! Sweet. Okay, so our current final score is 16-6. Celestial Aries is our winner for today. Oh god. I honestly expected to be a more fair fight, but apparently Aries wasn't taking any crap today, and it just bullied El Drago. So any El Drago fans, yeah. El Drago's he's done for it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you liked, subscribed if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one.